What's going on, guys? It's Marcel Benson, investor and entrepreneur, and welcome to the Daily Trade. Look, before we get into it, I need you to do me one favor, okay? Hit the subscribe button. This is the way that we're going to grow and able to continue to give this anti-gatekeeper information to the masses, okay? So if you could do that, I greatly appreciate it. All right. Now, I want to start this video out by shouting out some people that are in the Discord community that I'm a part of, right? So my boy Isaiah and I, we started this Discord community called the Prosperity Collective, which is essentially our gift back to you guys, right? We've learned how to trade. We've become profitable traders. And when we were learning how to trade, there really weren't a lot of groups that created an environment to make it easy to get direct access to the best information to become a trader that is profitable and makes money every single day. So we're doing that in the group. We're making money every single day, as you can see, right? Now, I want to focus your attention on this guy right here, right? Mr. Williams, Stephen Williams. He is new to the trading group, was able to get profit his first day. But second day, he had some bumps, was working some kinks out, but then was able to also continue making money as time went on. Now, this is somebody who decided to quit their job as a teacher and is now doing this full time. So he's taking it very seriously. And I just want to give him a shout out and show love because I know the journey, right? And look, if you can see right here, you see that he was profitable today. All right. So shout out to Steve. Also, Toya, look at these profits, right? Also, Noah, look at these profits, right? There are endless gains that happen in this group, but I just wanted to definitely shout out these people. Now, Toya, her situation is a little different, right? When she came to the group, she was not profitable, as you can see right here, right? This is showing her trades before she joined Prosperity Collective and then her trades after, right? So you see one was red and one is green, right? So she told us that she was extremely grateful to be a part of it. And that is, I don't know, that makes me feel great, right? Because I just know exactly what it felt like when trying to learn, exactly what it felt like when I just needed like some questions answered. So, one thing that I make sure that we do in this Discord is we give the attention to the questions that are needed so that everybody in the group can fully benefit and get out of this group much more than they bargained for, right? When you leave this group, you will leave profitable. When you leave this group, you will leave just a better person overall because of the energy that you're absorbing from other like-minded individuals and the tutelage of me and my boy, right? All right. So that's them. I appreciate you guys. Big love to y'all. Now, let's get into this trade, right? Man, Palantir, we ate. We ate 141% on Palantir, over $1,000. We ate. This happened in minutes. When is the last time that you made $1,000 in minutes? I'll wait. I'll continue waiting. All right, I'm not going to wait too long because y'all might leave the video. It doesn't happen every day, right? This is the only skill set that I can think of where this takes place, where you can do your homework and study to build your skill set, but when an opportunity presents itself, which is what you've been working to identify, you can now, just by identifying that opportunity, now take that opportunity and make money like that. And you can give yourself a raise. You don't have to wait until your boss does it. You want to know how you give yourself a raise? You just risk more money. If you're like, you know what, I'm tired of making $200 a day. I want to make $400 a day. Double up. Not blindly, but if you can make $5 a day, you can make $10 a day. If you can make 10, you can make 100. If you can make 100, you can make 1,000. It's all about your risk, right? But it's the percentages that you want to focus on. Today, man, it went out the window. Typically, I'm trying to get people in the group to get about, 10 to 15%. That's great, right? We standard, quick scalps, right? But here's what you can do once you get that 10 to 15%. When you see a stock like this is going down, and I'm going to break it down to you in a second. Don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly what we did so you can apply it to your trading. When you see a stock break down like this, you can just simply put a trail stop on. So that way, it doesn't take you out any more than your original gains, which is what, 10, 15%? Or you can raise it even more. In this case, we just kept raising that trails. It just, that trail stop just kept on trailing. It just kept on trailing to the point where it didn't pull back, and it allowed us to get 141% out of the deal. 140%, 41%. I think, this guy right here got 80 something percent. Right? I mean, there's so many people in the group that ate off of this play, even people that got into the play late. Right? So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did to make this happen. Now, as you can see on the chart, that orb strategy is a beast. When you get a breakdown of that, when you get a 15-minute candle that closes below, it is a beast, especially on a stock that is trying to fill a gap like Palantir here, right? Took it at the top of this candle and rode it down to the bottom. 141% banger right here. Orb, okay? Open range breakout, add it to your trading toolbox. Every single day, there is a play in this strategy. It may not be the same stock every day, but there is a stock that is just dying to break out of that 15-minute range, and it can literally make you money every day and replace your income. This is it. I'm not high. There's no tricks no, this is it. This is how you replace your income. This right here, the orb strategy, right? Go watch my video on the 15-minute orb strategy, and I promise you, you have my word, right? It will change your life. It will change your life. Go back test it. Don't take my word for it. Go back test it. It will change your life. All right. This is the daily trade, guys. Every day. Well, this is all right. So this is actually yesterday's trade, but I'm doing it daily. As you guys know, I've been traveling a lot. Got a lot going on in business. So this is actually the trade from yesterday. Today, being Friday, we actually did more just like Q&A in the group. Didn't take trades because, the market was like very choppy and just not really giving us the strategies that we want. So, it's always important to be able to identify those moments too, right? If it's a time to trade, go right ahead. But on a Friday and things are choppy and the market's starting to come down a little bit, it's like you don't want to really get caught up in that. So, we spent today in the Discord just kind of like getting questions answered, and just getting people clear on, different things that they weren't so clear on about trading and candlesticks and things like that. But man, Palantir once again is just continuing to give opportunity. If it's not opportunity to the upside, it's opportunity to the downside, like you can see in this play. All right. If you want to learn more, you want to start making money every single day, just click the link in the bio, right? Today is actually the last day to lock in $40 a month. It doubles next month. February is one of those short months. Sorry. It's one of those short months. But next month, it doubles to $80. Even that's still a steal. Go shop around Discords. They're charging at least $200 for what we're giving. And they're nowhere near delivering what we're delivering, right? Answering your questions, making sure that you get the attention that you need, and making sure that you get the profitability. Again, don't believe me. Just go ask one of our members. Go look at some of the reviews. Go talk to them. Go build a relationship with them. Ask them, is this for real, because it seems too good to be true, right? Is this for real, or not? Because it seems way too good to be true. Go ask them. And I think you'll find your answer. And I'll see you guys on Monday in the group, okay? Click the link below. Peace.